recording. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today, I have a new horse, and I have another new horse, but I will show you that later in the video. And today we are going to be doing this one's level 1 championship. It will take me a while to get her to level 15 because I'm like extremely lazy, so it'll take me a while to get her to level 15. So you'll see her level 15 champ a little bit later. So just gotta wait for the championship to start. And I know I'm cheating. I'm using the speed bug. Hold on, I'm gonna call with my friend. Let's see if you guys can hear her. Say hi to the camera. I just removed myself from the champ group. Well, that was entertaining for you guys. Yes, I'm not too happy about it because she snuck onto my account without my permission and didn't ask me to buy the horse. So I'm not too happy about that, but I am grateful for the gift. Yeah, she felt guilty not getting me anything for Christmas. So she gave me an American quarter horse. She bought me one. Yeah. Only thing she got wrong was the name. I just changed the name a little bit ago. So this is Cloud. Not everyone is using Speedbug. Not every single person on the server knows about the Speedbug. Only maybe like 100 people on the server know about the Speedbug. That's not way too. That's not really anything. Yeah, maybe only 100, maybe a little more people know about the Speedbug. Wait, are you in the race group? Are you in the race group at all? Are you in the race group? Okay, just making sure. Okay, I'm gonna try and stand next to you, see if we can get in the same group. Like stand on top of you. That worked with my club before. Oh, dang. We're not in the same groupie. Why am I always in championship group 1? Literally that happens every single time. I'm always in group champ 1. And why am I always in championship group 1? It'd be good to switch for a chance. Okay, my chat is already closed. Let's do this. This is Cloud's level 1 champ. I'm now in 3rd place. Oof, but I'm failing miserably. Um, guys, did you see that? I ran so fast. I just almost broke SSO. I ran straight through the tree. I'm running straight through these trees. What is going on? I think I'm almost breaking SS. So either I'm almost breaking SSO or it's the lag. So there's two options of what's happening, guys. There's two options. With my speed, I'm breaking SSO, or it's the lag of so many people. Wait, you failed? Oh, poor Willow just failed. Okay, now SSO is not breaking or anything. Get out of my way, Mr. Bulldozer. I am really trying to catch up, but other people have the speed bug and it's kind of annoying. Not gonna lie. I got fifth. I got fifth. That's not too bad, even though I cheated. Okay, guys, I'll see you guys in another video. Bye bye.